Hello everyone, new video at Wealthy Primate. In today's video we are going to talk about SUI. So SUI, this coin, I remember last cycle or last time when Bitcoin rallied from the bottom basically to 100 plus $1,000. SUI, actually we have seen like more than 10x profit in SUI, and now I think it can do eventually something similar. So this is on, I would say, smaller time frame, even though it's on the daily, but still a smaller time frame. Given the weekly and the monthly, it has more data that you can see right here. This is all the data that we have about this chart. So we go back to May actually 2023, and we have all this structure, and we see that actually it's still bullish, since we are making what each time we are making a higher high, then we have this big correction, the ABC that we have it, and now we are trying to build another probably wave to make another high, or at least to these highs again to $4. So now we are sitting at $1, which is like 4x from here, so which means 500%. So if we go back on the daily, we can see that now we started to gain some momentum, and this actually from here to here is all a cluster, and this from $1 to 90 cents or 88 cents is a good area to buy SUI. So on this time frame on the daily, I'm giving you this, you can take it as a signal or whatever you want. You just will have to watch out for this level at 135, I believe, or which is the confluence between this trend line, and as you can see, it has respected this trend line here. Then we broke down, we lost this support, so here it tested again, failed to break out here and here again, and this one was like I believe 10 days ago. So if we are going to have another stop at this resistance, it will be a confluence between this resistance, okay, as you can see it was also a support, but once we lost this support it became resistance, we got rejected from here and here. Now we will face this confluence of resistances, so we have the trend line here, okay, and we have this resistance. So the next target for SUI could be to up this level 135. If we take out this level here, I think eventually price will go as high as 1.9 to 1.8. So from this area, you can get like 80% profit from here. Okay, so it's around 83%, of course dependent on Bitcoin. So if we go back to the Bitcoin chart, and we see now that Bitcoin, I think it held this level, and I've told you, like, since we don't lose the 75k, it's fine, and you have to watch out for this level on Bitcoin around 79k, then this trend line, as you can see. And I believe that if we break out from here, I think price will go even higher to 86, 87k. So this is the SUI update. One thing I want to add at the end for SUI, if we drop from this level and we lose this low at 88 cents, as I said, it depends on Bitcoin. Probably it will go to this level again at a bigger time frame, 50 cents to 60 cents. So this was the update, or you can say technical targets of SUI. So see you in the next one. Have a good day.